For years, the Tucson has been a gold standard for excellent value in the SUV market, and guess what? The new generation is about to push the boundaries even further, as it comes with critical improvements that turn it from an excellent SUV into a class leader. Let's check out 6 insane 2026 Hyundai Tucson surprises that will make you cancel your RAV4 order. Number 6. Fresh, less polarizing look. The current Tucson's bold styling has been divisive, but the next generation is going to fix that with a design that's both more attractive and more universally appealing. Hyundai is shifting from their sensuous sportiness design language to the revolutionary art of steel philosophy that debuted with the stunning Initium concept. What this means is a more muscular, armor-like aesthetic that gives the Tucson a presence that's impossible to ignore. The new design features a boxier, more substantial silhouette that makes the current model look almost fragile by comparison. The front end is going to be completely transformed, with pixel-inspired split headlamps that create a futuristic yet sophisticated appearance. Think Land Rover Defender meets premium Korean engineering. The grille design is becoming more geometric and pronounced, creating a bold face that screams confidence without looking aggressive or polarizing like some current compact SUVs. Moving along the sides, you're going to see more muscular fenders and distinctive groove patterns along the doors that create an interplay of light and shadow that makes the Tucson look more expensive than it actually is. But here's what's really impressive. This isn't just about looking good. The new Art of Steel design language improves aerodynamics while creating a more rugged appearance that suggests both urban sophistication and outdoor capability. The rear end continues the angular theme with redesigned pixel-inspired taillights and a more structured tailgate design with sharp creases that give the Tucson a premium SUV stance. Unlike the current generation that people either love or hate, the upcoming new Tucson is being designed to appeal to a much broader audience while still maintaining the distinctive character that makes Hyundai stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Futuristic but elegant interior. While other manufacturers are overwhelming their interiors with screens and futuristic elements that sacrifice usability, the 2026 Tucson is taking a smarter approach. The new interior will maintain a high dose of elegance without being overwhelmed by the tech-heavy designs found in Hyundai's EV models. The dashboard is going to feature a dual 12.3-inch display setup, one for the instrument cluster and another for the infotainment system. But unlike competitors, Hyundai is preserving adequate physical buttons for the most important functions. This responds directly to customer feedback that has criticized the over-digitization in some competitive models, where you need to dive through multiple menus just to adjust the air conditioning. Material quality is seeing significant improvements with expanded soft-touch surfaces throughout the cabin. You're going to get metallic accents with a satin finish and premium stitching on the dashboard and door panels, while higher trims might even introduce sustainable materials like recycled fabrics and responsibly sourced wood trim. Even though overall dimensions won't change dramatically, seating comfort is getting major enhancements with redesigned front seats featuring better lateral support and more adjustability options. The rear seats are improving cushioning as well, while cargo space might see slight increases through more efficient packaging and possibly a lower load floor. Number 4. Groundbreaking tech features. The 2026 Tucson is going to debut Hyundai's revolutionary new Plios Connect infotainment system that will completely transform the in-car experience. This advanced operating system features a smartphone-style user interface that's actually intuitive to use, unlike some competitor systems that require a computer science degree to operate. The Plios Connect system brings multi-window support and split-screen capability, allowing you to run navigation, music, and phone functions simultaneously without constantly switching between apps. Built on Android Automotive OS, the system supports deep app integration and personalized profiles through Plios ID that remembers your preferences and settings. But here's where things get really exciting. The 2026 Tucson is introducing level 2.5 autonomous driving capabilities that make this compact SUV smarter and safer than most other vehicles on the road. The system includes enhanced highway assist, intelligent parking assistance, and improved traffic jam assistance that can handle stop-and-go traffic with minimal driver input. Hyundai is also integrating their new AI assistant called Glio, which delivers a ChatGPT-like conversational interface. This isn't just voice recognition, it's natural conversation that understands context and can help with navigation, weather, vehicle settings, and even answer general questions during long road trips. The technology package doesn't stop there. Head-up display, terrain mode selection, digital key technology, heated and ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, wireless phone charging, and Bose premium audio systems are about to continue in the higher trim levels. But many of these features are trickling down to lower trim levels where competitors charge thousands extra for the same equipment. Number 3. New hybrid systems. The 2026 Tucson is getting Hyundai's revolutionary TMED2 hybrid system that promises to deliver significantly better performance and fuel economy compared to the current generation. We're looking at combined output climbing from the current 226 horsepower to potentially 240 to 250 horsepower, while simultaneously improving fuel efficiency from 38 miles per gallon to over 40 miles per gallon combined. The TMED2 system introduces smart regenerative braking that automatically adjusts using navigation data and traffic conditions. This means the system learns your driving patterns and optimizes energy recovery without the jarring feel that makes some competitive hybrid systems uncomfortable for daily driving. Power delivery is becoming smoother and more immediate, addressing the occasional hesitation in the current system during certain driving scenarios. The transition between electric and gasoline power is being refined to become nearly imperceptible, creating a premium driving experience that better matches the Tucson's upmarket aspirations. One of the most innovative features is the new Stay mode, which can reserve battery power for specific destinations set in the navigation system. This is incredibly useful for zero-emission zones, or if you simply want to maximize efficiency on known routes, functionality that most competitors don't offer at any price point. Number 2. Next-gen drivetrain features. The 2026 Tucson's drivetrain technology is going to include vehicle-to-load capability and enhanced all-wheel drive systems that deliver capabilities you won't find in the RAV4 or most other competitors. The V2L system provides up to 3.6 kilowatts of power output, essentially turning your Tucson into a mobile power station for camping, tailgating, or emergency situations. The enhanced all-wheel drive system is getting major upgrades with new drive technologies like eHandling 2.0, eVMC 2.0, and eRide 2.0. These newly developed features improve ride quality, handling precision, and stability in ways that make the Tucson feel more like a premium European SUV than a mainstream compact crossover. eHandling 2.0 uses the electric motors to provide torque vectoring that enhances cornering performance and reduces understeer in challenging driving conditions. eVMC 2.0, or electronic vehicle motion control, provides more sophisticated stability control that works seamlessly with the hybrid system to maintain traction and control. eRide 2.0 optimizes the suspension electronically to provide better balance between comfort and sportiness, depending on driving conditions and selected drive modes. This means you get a comfortable ride for daily commuting, but more controlled handling when you want to enjoy some spirited driving on weekend trips. The system also includes hierarchical predictive control and evasive handling assists that use sensor data and navigation information to anticipate road conditions and adjust vehicle behavior accordingly. While some of these advanced features might be reserved for higher trim levels, even base models are getting significantly more sophisticated drivetrain technology than what you'll find in comparable RAV4 models. Number 1. Value hard to beat. Despite all these revolutionary improvements, Hyundai is keeping pricing incredibly competitive. The base 2026 Tucson with the standard gasoline engine will start around $31,000, representing only a modest $1,000 increase over the current model despite massive technology and design upgrades. The 2026 Tucson Hybrid is about to start around $35,000 for the base trim, while even the range-topping limited hybrid should stay under $44,000. Compare that to a similarly equipped RAV4 hybrid, and you're looking at thousands of dollars in savings while getting more advanced technology, better interior materials, and a more comprehensive warranty. The plug-in hybrid variants will start at approximately $43,000 with over 40 miles of electric-only range, significantly more than the current generation and competitive with vehicles costing considerably more. Even fully equipped models are expected to stay under $50,000, making the Tucson PHEV an incredible value proposition in the electrified compact SUV segment. But here's what really sets the 2026 Tucson apart in terms of value. The features you get as standard equipment. Technology that costs thousands extra in competitors comes standard in the Tucson, including the advanced Plios Connect infotainment system, comprehensive safety features, and premium interior materials. Hyundai's industry-leading warranty coverage continues with 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain, and comprehensive coverage that provides peace of mind you simply don't get with Toyota or other competitors. When you factor in the lower purchase price, superior standard equipment, and better warranty coverage, the total cost of ownership becomes dramatically lower than seemingly comparable vehicles. In a market where compact SUVs are getting increasingly expensive, the 2026 Tucson is going to deliver premium features and capabilities at mainstream prices. While competitors are pushing their vehicles up market and pricing out younger buyers, Hyundai is doubling down on value while delivering technology and refinement that matches or exceeds much more expensive vehicles. Still, the competition is shaping up for the next year as well. Check out this video about the 2026 Nissan Rogue solving every owner complaint, which you can now see on the screen. The Rogue is coming with important updates that will make it an even more appealing package that could finally catch up with the RAV4 and CR-V.